We'll guide you through how to use a brush shadow in Photopea. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to improve their photo editing skills, especially in creating realistic shadow effects. Get started by opening Photopea in your browser. Photopea is a website that can be accessed via computer and smartphone. On the computer desktop, right-click on the Google Chrome shortcut. Click Open to launch the browser. When opened, Google Chrome will display something like this. Look at the top of the screen. Click on the address bar and type Photopea. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. On this screen, select the topmost option, 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗𝗏. You will be directed to the Photopea website homepage. Before starting editing, prepare the photo you want to edit. Then, select Open from Computer to access your photo. Locate the prepared photo. Click on the photo and open it. After that, the Photopea editing page will appear. To create a shadow with a brush, you need to do some editing on the object first. You need to create a new layer containing only the object. To do this, look at the toolbar menu on the left side of the screen. Use the Object Selection tool. Create a selection box that encompasses the entire object. For better selection results, use the Select Subject feature. Click and wait a few moments for the selection process to complete. Once the process is complete, press Ctrl+J to create a new object layer. Next, you can start using the shadow brush. Add a new layer and position it below the object layer. Press B on the keyboard to use the brush tool. Make sure the brush color is black. Adjust the brush size to make it easier to draw shadows. Lower the hardness to 0 for smooth results. Flatten the brush shape like this. Finally, draw a shadow brush in the area where the shadow falls on the object. If necessary, lower the fill and opacity levels so that the effect blends with the main image for a more natural and realistic appearance in your final result. Take your time to refine the edges and adjust the shadow intensity until it matches the lighting of the original scene properly for best overall visual consistency and balance.